chapter 7. You know what is the name of the chapter? Perimeter, area and volume. I think in 4th class we studied perimeter and area. But one thing, volume is what is new for you. Now listen, first we are going to study about perimeter. This exercise is in page number 154, exercise 7.1. Exercise 7.1. You know what you mean by perimeter? Perimeter means some boundary of any closed figure. If the figure is open, this is an open figure, so we cannot find the perimeter. In open figure, we cannot find the perimeter. Perimeter means the sum of boundary of the closed figure. Now look here students, what is the shape of this figure? It is a rectangle. What is the shape of this figure? It is a square. Now, what is it? It is open figure. So, we cannot find the perimeter. Perimeter means sum of total length of, sum means total, add karna over the boundary. If it is closed, yes, we can find the perimeter. Now, first we are going to study about the rectangle. You know rectangle? Yes, it is the shape of rectangle. Rectangle opposite sides are equal. All sides are equal? No. This is a small side, this is a big, and but these opposite sides are equal. What is a rectangle? In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. See this duster? What's the shape of here? Can you say? It is a rectangle shape now. In your book, front side, it is a rectangle shape. All sides are equal? No, these two sides are equal. Your blackboard, what's the shape of the blackboard students? It is a rectangle shape. So, this side is called length. What is it? Length. So, this also length. This side is called breadth. What is it? Breadth. Length and breadth. I think you know because in 4th class we studied about this length, rectangle and square. So, first we are studying perimeter. So, perimeter of rectangle. What's the formula? Perimeter, P means perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle 2 multiplied. What's the formula? 2 multiplied length plus breadth. Perimeter of rectangle, what is the formula students? 2 multiplied length plus breadth. L means what? Length. B means what? Breadth. Now this is the sign multiplication. So what is it? It is a bracket. Before the bracket, it is not compulsory to write the multiplication sign. So you have to read it 2 multiplied length plus breadth. Now one small question. Look here students. What is the shape of this one? Rectangle. Here length is 10. Breadth is 5. What is the measure of here? We know opposite sides are equal. Here also 10, here also 5. Perimeter means sum of all the side of closed figure. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 10, 25. 25 plus 5, 30. What is the perimeter? 30. So how to solve in this formula? P is equal to 2 multiplied L means what is the length? 10 plus what is the breadth? 5 is equal to 2 multiplied 10 plus 5 15. 15 2s are 30. So you are getting the both sides, you know. That's why always in 4th class I think we sometimes added direct, but in 5th class onwards always we are taking use the formula. Perimeter of rectangle, by heart the formula 2 multiplied length plus breadth. Perimeter of rectangle formula. Now we are going to L means L is the short form of length, B is the short form of breadth. Now let's start the exercise. Only study first exercise. Perimeter of rectangle. Exercise 7.1. Complete the table. Here you have to complete the table. Complete the table. Now that is figure is written only for rectangle. First one, length. Length is written there 2.5 centimeter. What is the length? 2.5 centimeter. Now see what is the breadth is given. See the table 2.1 centimeter. Length is 2.5 centimeter. Breadth is 2.1 centimeter. What we have to find out in perimeter. So first you have to write perimeter. You can use the short form. Perimeter is equal to, we have to write down the formula 2 multiply length plus breadth is equal to 2 into L's place what you have to write 2.5 plus breadth place 2.1. First these two we have to add 2 multiply, do here 2.5 plus 2.1. 5 plus 1 6, 2 plus 2 4, 4.6. 2 multiplied 4.6. Now 4.6 multiplied by 2. 2 6 are 12. You should keep the point. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. What is the answer? 9.2. Don't forget to write the units. 9.2 centimeter. What is the perimeter? 9.2 centimeter. Only 4 fill in the blanks. Teacher will show you one more fill in the blanks. Second. See the second question. Question number 2. Length is equal to, what is the length is written? 11 centimeter. And breadth is equal to, what is the breadth? 5 centimeter. Here also what we have to find out, students? We have to find out the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 multiply length plus breadth. 2 length is 11 plus breadth is 5. 2 into 11 plus 5, 16. 16 2s are 32. What is the units? Centimeter. 32 centimeter. Is you know 4 fill in the blanks, 2 more is there, you have to do homework. Now about rectangle it is all. Now teacher is going to explain about square. Now what's the shape of this figure? It is a square. We know square all sides are equal. If one side is given 10 centimeter, can you say what is the perimeter? We know here also 10, here also 10, here also 10. 10, 20, 30, 40. What is the perimeter here? 40 centimeter. That means can you say formula perimeter of square? Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. What is the formula? 4 into side. Side we can use the short form S. That means 4 into S. S is the short form of side for S. Once more, in a square, all the sides are equal. So in square, one side is given, we know all the sides are equal. So now look here, 10, 20, 30, 40. What is the perimeter we got? We got the perimeter 40. So 4 into one side, 10. 4 into 10, 40. So what is the formula? Perimeter of square? 4 multiplied by one side. That means 4 into S. Now, when in a square, to here, this is a square. Its perimeter is given 20. What is its perimeter, students? 20. Can you say what is the measure of one side? These 4 sides addition, we got the answer 20. Can you say what is the measure of one side? 20 divided by 4. Answer is 5. 10, 15, 20. So can you say what is the formula for finding one side? One side is equal to perimeter divided by 4. So students, you have to learn now these two formulas. First is for a perimeter of rectangle. What's the first formula? Perimeter of rectangle. What's the formula? 2 multiply length plus breadth. So perimeter of square. Perimeter of a square. What is the formula? 4 multiplied by one side. Then how to find out one side of a square? One side is equal to perimeter divided by 4. Sum of 4 sides is given. Why we are dividing by 4? Because in a square 4 sides are equal. 4 sides are there. We know in a square all sides are equal, all angles are equal. That we studied in the 4th class. Now we can solve the second table. Exercise 7.1. A table about rectangle. Then same a table 2. Table 2. Look here. Table 2 about square. It is written about square. Then one side is given. Question number 1. One side is given. What is the measure of one side? One side is 5 centimeter. What we have to find out? We have to find out the perimeter. Don't forget to write the formula. Perimeter of square. What is the formula? 4 multiplied by side. Always in all problems you have to write the formula. 4 multiplied, what is one side? 5. 4 5s are 20. What is the unit? Centimeter. The second one is the same like you have to solve it. Now third one teacher will show you. Look the third question. Third question, perimeter of square is given. What is the first step it is written? Perimeter of a square is equal to, what is the perimeter is given? 172 centimeter. What we have to find out? We have to find out one side. What is the formula for finding the side? Perimeter divided by 4. Perimeter divided by 4. What is the perimeter? 172 divided by 4. Look here, 172 divided 4. 4 4s are 16, 12, 4 3s are 12. So what is the 43 centimeter. What is the measure of one side? 43 centimeter. Here also only one more question, that is we have to do homework. That is also given. Perimeter is given. We have to find out the one side. It is easy now, one small table. So don't write direct in the copy answer. You have to write with the steps and the formulas. Now do exercise, same exercise B word sums. It is important word sums. It is not omitted. Exercise 7.1. To the first question, the perimeter of square plot. Question number B. Solve. Word sums. First one, the perimeter of plot of land. Perimeter of plot of land. Plot of land is 64 centimeter. Is 64 centimeter. What is the length of each side? What is the length of each side? Look here students, perimeter of land is 64 centimeter. What is the length of each side? Length of this one side we have to find out. Can you say what is the shape of this plot of land? How we know? Because it is written, we have to find the measure of one side. Length of one side, not length and breadth. One side means we know it is a square shape. So in a square, how to find out one side? When perimeter is given, what is the formula? Perimeter divided by 4. So first step, perimeter of land. Perimeter, here solution, perimeter of plot of land. Perimeter of plot of land is equal to 64 centimeter. Therefore, length of one side. Length of one side. What is the formula length of one side? Perimeter divided by, in a square how many sides are there? 4 sides. 4. What is the perimeter is given? 64 divided by 4. 64 divided by 4. You know 4 table? 64 divided by 4 ones are 4, 24, 4 6 are 24. What is the length of its one side? 60 centimeter. I told you don't forget to write the units. What's the measure of one side, students? 60 centimeter. Now plot perimeter is given, one side is 60 centimeter. Now see question number 2. Question number 2. Yes. Second question. Perimeter of rectangle we have to find out. Find the perimeter. Second one. Find the perimeter. Find the perimeter of a rectangular sheet of paper. Its length is given. Its length is given 27 centimeter and its breadth is given. Breadth is 23 centimeter. Breadth is 23 centimeter. Look here. This is your class book. What's the shape of this page? Rectangular shape. So same like this page. Here it is. What is the shape of here? It is a rectangle shape. So in our question, rectangular shape one page. Its length is given, breadth is given. What we have to find out? Perimeter. So can you say the step? Length of paper. Or easy you can write length. Length is equal to 27 centimeter. Second step, breadth is equal to, what's the breadth? 23 centimeter. Then what you have to find out? Therefore, perimeter. Perimeter of, what is the perimeter of rectangular sheet of paper? Perimeter of rectangular sheet of paper. Sheet of paper. Perimeter of rectangle. What is the formula? 2 multiplied length plus breadth. 2. What is the length? 27 plus 23. Breadth is 23. Then 2 multiplied 27 plus 23, 50. 2 into 50, 100 centimeter. What's the length? Perimeter of that paper? 100 centimeter. This you know. Now look the next question. Third one. Third question. Third question. Banu walks daily in a square park. What's the shape of the park? Square park. Square park. If the measure of it is, square park is 480 centimeter. It is total 480 centimeter. And what measure of each side of the park? What is the measure of each side of the park? Look here. You think this is a park. What is it, students? It is a square park. Banu walking daily from here to full one round. One round, how many centimeter? 480 centimeter. This is the park is the shape of a square. Banu walks daily this square shape. Morning walk jogging from here to here full one round. How many centimeter he is walking? 480 centimeter. We know it is a perimeter of square. First step, perimeter of square. Perimeter of a square. What is the perimeter? 480 centimeter. What we have to find out? We have to find out one side. One side is equal to, what is the formula? Perimeter divided by 4 is equal to 480 divided by 4. 120 centimeter. What is it? One side of the park, 120 centimeter. Easy now? Okay, students. Now next area we will start in the next class. See you. Bye.